Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2009 GMC Sierra. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. We stop and take a look at the tires there. Good tread left on those Cooper Discovers. Got one little dent right there. Just going to be looking for any dents, dings, scratches. A couple little spots in the trim there. They have added some nice chrome step assists. Got bed caps on here as well. It is a Z71 four-wheel drive. As we come around to the back, you'll see your integrated backup camera as well as trailer tow. And then coming down the passenger side, nice and clean. Couple little thin scratches, a few little spots there. Overall, exterior looks great. Inside the truck now, you do get full power for the driver's seats and nice black leather seating. 119,728 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio, dual climate control there. This is the 5-passenger arrangement with the armrest and the center console. Lots of additional storage there. Then all the flooring is going to be black. Looks like they've added a trailer brake control as well. In the back seat now, we're just going to do a nice slow pan over the seats, showing you no rips, no tears back here. You do get one additional power port, and these seats are 60-40 split. Split that up, show you a little extra cargo space. Inside the bed now, you'll notice a full bed liner. Finishing up on the passenger side, taking one more look at that back seat area. Go ahead and flip that seat up for you. The passenger gets full power as well as the driver. Really nice feature for those long road trips. I'm going to take one more look around the back. And that will wrap up your 2009 GMC Sierra.